This is another Mr. Epic Elevator vacuum cleaner battle. I am your host, Maximus Paradise, and for you people who don't know how this vacuum cleaner battle works, allow me to explain. So we got our two vacuum cleaners here. We have it's a Dyson on Dyson battle tonight, and if you come on out here, this is what they're gonna have to do. We have a disgusting mess in this living room, and each vacuum cleaner is going to try to vacuum all this dirt, this dust off the carpet, and then the one who can do it the fastest is the winner. And that's how this competition is going to work. Alright, for our Dyson on Dyson vacuum cleaner battle, first up we have Laura, the 2005 Dyson DC15 All Floors vacuum cleaner. And Laura has been vacuuming for over 10 years, and she is currently retired, but is still strong and ready to win this competition. Next up, we have Jemima, the 2015 Dyson Allergy Ball Vacuum cleaner. And she is strong, she is fast and furious, and she is ready to win this competition as well. So, who will it be? Will it be Laura, the 2005 Dyson DC15 All Floors vacuum cleaner, or Jemima, the 2015 Dyson Allergy Ball vacuum cleaner? First off, we have Laura, the 2005 Dyson DC15 All Floors vacuum cleaner. Alright, here we go. Okay, that will do it. Okay, Laura, you did that in 2 minutes and 24 seconds. And now it's time to see if Jemima can beat that. Now it's Jemima's turn to clean up this big mess on the carpet. And will she be able to beat Laura at this competition tonight? But yeah, alright, here we go.
And the time is 2 minutes, 19 seconds.
2 minutes, 19 seconds. Alright, Jemima has beat Laura with a time of 2 minutes and 19 seconds.
Are you sure the time was fair on this? It seemed like it took me a little while to turn off the stopwatch.
Yeah, you know, I think you're right. Let's take a look.
Yeah.
Okay, that will do it. It was 2:19.
It was a tie.
No way. So this vacuum cleaner battle was actually tied. Well, after watching the surprise conclusion, this competition was actually a tie. So the judges actually decided that the two Dyson vacuum cleaners will share the title of victory. So both Dyson vacuum cleaners win, because that's how we do it on this YouTube channel. And so that's our show, and hope you enjoyed it. And hopefully I'll be doing some more of these, hopefully like every once a month or so. Alright, bye now.